What's up guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna do another eye look using the Jackie Aina and ABH collab palette. I love the palette and I wanted to do a variation of different looks with the palette, so this is the look that I created. If you like what you see, keep on watching. Okay, so we're going to start off with using the shade Edges in the Anastasia Beverly Hills and Jackie Aina collab. I'm just going to start off by placing ginger in my crease. Next, we're going to go in with Edges, and it's that reddish brown color right here. We're going to put that underneath in our crease, more so towards the outer V, but I'm going to put that in a crease up underneath Edges. Just deepen it up a little bit. Okay, so we're also gonna just take a little bit of pinker, and that is that pinkish purplish shade that is right here, and we're also gonna put that in our crease. Just to deepen it up a little bit more. I really like pinker though. If you haven't tried this palette, it's really good for everything. It just kind of makes those reddish brown colors in your crease just pop a little bit. I take Supreme, which is the light pink shade right here. I'm gonna take that next, just to soften it up a little bit in the crease. I take a little bit of my Born This Way in Maple to apply a little bit of shimmer on my lid. So we are going to put dollars on the lid for today's look. So now that we have our gold on our lids, we're going to, I'm just going to go in with Big Wig right here, and I'm just going to kind of deepen the outer V of this eye look right here. So I'm going to use Pat McGrath's Sublime foundation in medium deep 26, and I'm going to just tap this on centers of my face. I'm just going to blend that in. Okay, I am going to go in with my Born This Way Multi-Scope Concealer. You guys know that this is my favorite. I just feel like once I actually get the foundation on, I feel like my look looks much better. So, just going to go in with a Real Techniques blending sponge. Next, I'm going to go in with the KKW Beauty Concealer in shade 9, and I'm going to just highlight centers of my face. I'm just gonna take the excess and put it everywhere else. We're going to take our Fenty bronzer in Cocoa Nutty, and we're just going to add some more warmth back into our faces. Because that concealer is really bright. I also use my bronzer to just slightly put some on my nose too. So I'm gonna go back underneath my waterline, and I'm gonna, now that my bottom lash line is smoked out, I think I'm gonna try Trust Issues. It's just this white pigment here. I'm just gonna use the same brush I had for my waterline. I'm just going to tap that Trust Issues right here in my inner tear duct. Next, I'm going to take Me Home blush by the Patrick Star, and I'm going to just mix these two both together because it kind of gives me like a pretty purplish effect on my cheeks. Just blend that up into my bronzer. I'm going to use my Fix Plus to set my makeup. Lining my lips with Bittersweet lip liner from MAC. This is like one of my favorite lip pencils to use because it's like a crayon type tip, so it just glides on really well. And next we're going to use Blankety, which is like a pinky nude from MAC. Also a favorite of mine. So I'm also going to use NYX's Butter Gloss in the shade Fortune Cookie. Alright, you guys, so this is the final look. I've taken down my pin curls, and I feel like this is a really cute look. I'm wearing like a red Wrangling dress, and I just really like the shade Big Wig. I just think it complements my skin tone so good, but I'm really loving how this look turned out. If you are loving how this look turned out, give me a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments below.